Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Hermosa Hair. Big thank you to Hermosa Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have this gorgeous wig. This is their new invisible lace wig with the clear hidden strap. So the advantages of this wig is the fact that you can wear this in so many different hairstyles. So you get that 360 advantage, but with the hidden straps, it's undetectable. So how the invisible strap works is by adjusting the clear strap in the back of the wig. So that is your nape area and that is the clear strap. By adjusting that, that keeps the lace secure and snug so that the wig does not slide. Unlike the traditional 360 with that clip and the other elastic bands, the wig tends to slide, but with the construction of this, it's not moving, baby. So this is a 26-inch water wave wig, and I have it in 180 density. The hair is super soft and extra fluffy, and I love the way this hair looks both in the dry state and the wet state. So I'm just going to adhere this wig with my ORS wig grip. We're going to do an install, and I'm going to show you quite a few different styles. So if you want to see a little bit more about this wig, stay tuned. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to adhere her down, and I'll come back when we're doing something a little different. So here I'm just pulling out some baby hairs. You don't have to do this. This is an option. This is a step that you can skip. I would have preferred to tweeze this hairline, but clearly I didn't do that. I skipped that part. So instead I'm going to improvise and just pull out some edges because that makes me feel a little bit better when I did not pluck the hairline. So I'm going to cut these down because I don't want them too long. And I'm going to use a razor just to cut them down, and then I'm going to use a little bit of product and an edge brush to swoop them back. So the first style that we're going to execute once we're finished with that is going to be a ponytail. This texture is so pretty. You do not have to make a super neat, sleek ponytail. You can do a hair-free ponytail, messy ponytail, wet, dry, no matter what you do, it's going to look amazing because this hair is so beautiful. And we're going to take advantage of that hidden strap. So I will be back for that. So here I'm just clipping up the hair because we're going to adjust these straps. So as you can see, I'm sliding that, and then I'm just going to tuck that in, and I'm going to repeat that on the other side. Slide that strap and then tuck it under, and as you can see, voila. Yeah, it's giving high ponytail. What lace? What wig? So now I'm going to use the melt band that came with the package. This was one of the free gifts. They did give some really cute free gifts. And I'm just showing you how pretty this hair is because, yeah, gorgeous. So fluffy, so full. I'm just going to wet this down and add a little bit of hair mousse. I'm using the Lotta Body, my go-to. Everything will be linked down below. And we're going to use that just to get these curls to pop. And then we're going to get into the ponytail. So now we're finishing up the last touches on these edges, and I'm going to go ahead and get ready to put her up into a ponytail. I did show you what this looks like flipped over without a defined part. And of course she's gorgeous and you can wear her this way too. I really love the curly hair with the flip over no part look. It's very carefree and it just looks so natural no matter what texture of curly hair. So that is the first look that I show you that's not really a style. So we're going to jump into the ponytail right after this. I have this really big elastic ponytail holder. I love those because the hair does not get caught in them, and you can, no matter how much hair it is, it's going to fit in there. If you need to double it for less hair, you can do that. But I love those jumbo ponytail holders. So I'm just going to throw the hair up, and like I said, I'm doing a carefree ponytail first. Then right after that, I'm going to jump into a high bun. But all of these styles are so easy to achieve with this wig. Like, you're not limited to just half up, half down, or just parting down the middle or down the side. You can really experiment with this wig and you still have that 360 parting space. So you gotta love that. And did I mention that this was pre-bleached? Yeah, the knots on this is bleached. Okay. So yeah, this is the first look and I'm loving it. Yeah. I did not comb these curls out. I didn't fluff these curls out, but this is how it looks. Undetectable, gorgeous. And now I'm just going to turn this into a high bun, which doesn't take a lot of work. I didn't even use any pins. I just like tuck the hair into the elastic, and I love this look. This is one of my favorites, and I'm showing you her from every angle. Yeah, and I didn't adhere the back down. The thing about these clear strap invisible strap wigs is you do not have to use any adhesive in the nape area, which is always a little scary to me. But look at that. This is so cute. So then after that, I did show you a different style. I did like a half up, half down with a side swoop. And I think that's my overall favorite out of all of these looks. And that's how we're going to end it off here. So I just sectioned off a piece of the hair and I parted her to the side. And then I did like a half up, half down with the pony. And then I clipped the rest up with the claw clip. But I absolutely love, love, love this hair. I honestly like this one better than the kinky edges, but you know, to each his own. I love to show you guys different variety, different style wigs on this channel. But if you are interested, definitely check the link down in the description box. Everything will be linked down below. If I have a discount code, that will be down below as well. Shout out to Hermosa Hair for sending over this gorgeous wig, and shout out to y'all for watching another video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.